everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today another episode of a quick bite to make. So today we're making easy cold soup at home using a few ingredients, which is a cucumber, dry mint, fresh garlic, fresh lemon, fresh mint, and of course the yogurt. So to begin, we're gonna mince the garlic and a little bit of salt. So crush them first and then let's mince the garlic. So that's what we're looking for. Minced garlic ready to go. Let's put it on the side. Now let's work on the cucumber. Now any cucumber you can use, it's fine, and make sure it's washed, but we're not going to peel the skin because that's where all the nutrition. So slice it in half. Now if it's too much seed in it, which is this one is not bad, just cut it V shape in the middle and get rid of the seed in the middle right there. Here we go. Slice in half and let's chop all the cucumber. Now the cucumber is ready. Let's put everything together. So cucumber goes in, the minced garlic, the dry mint. Now you can use a fresh mint, but for some reason the dry mints give better taste, and fresh mint you still can use it for garnish. Fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper of course, and now it's time to mix it very well so everything will blend together. And always, for a better result, place it in the fridge for a couple of hours and you enjoy your yogurt and cucumber soup. Now if you think it's a little bit thick for you, just add a little tiny bit of cold water, mix it, and ready to go in the fridge. After a couple of hours in the fridge, now the soup ready to be served. And the fresh mint, you can use it as a garnish. So yogurt and cucumber soup, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.